Yes, yeah, 5 million.
Yes.
Green, Ghana green. You say Ghana green. But we be say, why now?
The greens, you see, it is not wrong. It is not wrong for us to plant trees now. Ghana must become a green city. But you see, Osha Ghana has here. In Ria, Nyamia body, Ria, Nyankopon, Nankasa, by nature, Unyankopon, Yen in a near Kumasi garden city.
Yeah.
When we were growing up,
Yeah.
Ghana, Kumasi, especially Kumasi, was pure green. As we were growing up, in New York, you're dreaming in a good city. Osha Accra, Accra, in New York, Roman, you know what you're training in Atom, or what you're training in a good. T. Oko America, America, Obroni Chrome, a Indian normal landscape of the country. A some more oxygen, a more a changing environment. When we say answer now be trade America, London and Obroni Chrome, we have permit. To me, sorry, I'm going for the kind. Uncle Jana would chat in real kinkin. You bet you what to. We have permit to cut a tree. But Roma didn't you. Obia sorry, no Cressican, Oklahoma, team, no carry, because we have not been taught. Oh, yeah, Nimbibia, you knew Adriana some faso. Who shall you crow more? Baby a dying. Baby a dying. Adriancy baby, no addressing. It is someone Casasa Babak. No more trans arguing. And we say, we need to plant the trees. One need to chat on here. I want to chat forestry for
Yeah.
forestry for one, and we try Munia and Martin Tom. And I'm one Masaba back saying, Intiate. Yebedria, Nemono, Mevesa Mitchell, as a Udia, Adriana na. It will take no less than 15 years, 10 to 15 years for the tree to grow. So, and there should be some laws. You never govern the area. Yes, you're planning your man. Ghanaians don't plan. Yes, sorry, I need to America, Obroni Chrome, Ubeko prison by just cutting a tree. Uche Dianwa, Ubeko prison. Enti, sir, Momo Chaton. Namosi and Semiana Baka. I support it, but Yamugusunsu, Yam protecting Miano, Neyama Chromonso and Yefe. They won't have Africa too much because of lack of oxygen. We need to breathe good oxygen. Enti many forestry for a year. And it shouldn't end this time. Yam Kosunia, na Chronomunyefe, na Finsono. Adiabako am taking notice and say Ghana is a country of darkness.
Oh.
Mr. President, Isumo Kroma too much. Isumpa Krobia Nefe Eyamajo. Krobia Makosu Biara, even Africos. Nancy Anami Togo. Miracle by Togo Kitway, Yenuma light or street light. Esisu gang. Emakunia Februta. Baoba Ghana. Ayareho. And so Mika, your Minister of Energy. Yade taxpayer secretary. Edwana Jumpa. Muntuka. Namun for Chrome. Now we said the Chromotia on yet. A free present Kofo anymore. He's legal. Jesus Christ. Obekas a hell.
Cool.
Eba Befa Sprinters Road. There are Eba Befa Beach Road. Mopaya Munkoyanado. Yebetimia Chobia Kunato. Aye uni bakro yes adian. Esumo Chroma too much. And also any part of fix the country. And you cry more fair. Abema foreigners no. Etimi above no money aje for foreign exchange. And you know, we have a long way to go about the special grace of God. I know that say, whatever we have started, no, Eradibema is special grace to finish it. Into your bonfire say, Eradima great leaders, visionary leaders. Omudi bibi so many swa. Ombetimi aye. And Akufo-Addo, listen. President Akufo-Addo to me for 8 years. and solve 64 years problem. That's what we need to understand. No government can solve problems 64 years, no the 80 years abaso abeso enye yuma. Enti kakra we ba no abeye ne de no bi so aba no abeto aso obi ba no abeto aso na yenya say government we na ye yenti no say yaba ye nto aso. We should forget about those things. After all, we are all Ghanaians. We are Ghanaians first before any other things. And the Yamasa priority, nation building vision, and try more than political parties. Oh, me MPP ni, me NDC, and I am fine. We're supposed to be Ghanaians. Our priority should be Ghanaians. And we have only place to live that is called Ghana. So Ghana, all the citizens. So same put here. Ghana no. For foreigners. Ghana is for foreigners. Foreigners not for Ghana. Do you say economy no in favor Ghana for Nankasa, in favor foreigners. In favor foreigners. Because among 450 mukrom, our bra wuko mukromwa. Last me bisa obi Togo. So it's easy to have a Togolese passport was a shame. It's only Togolese catcher me said it's easy to have a Ghana passport than to have a Togolese passport.
Wow.
Togolese no catcher me. So it is easy for you to have a Ghana passport for a Togolese man to have a Ghana passport than to have a Togolese passport.
Wonderful.
Nigeria for people use Ghana passport. Lebanese for use Ghana passport. But citizens, Nankasa no more citizens are crony or modiano. They are the ones struggling. So our leaders should have their priorities right. Yam build a beautiful nation. Na your mama and you're proud of us. And you're proud of this nation. Into your best your leaders no. So Omoma Ghana and your first.
That you so baby. I'm saying be kind Ghana for. I'm saying you be try to mean so be kind. You see be kind Ghana for. Even raising of the foreigners no clan no clan to clan or counting them. Ebi bisa say if I saw be was.
Some systems there so on faso. Say a kind ni hu ye dodo. Na omodi gina so ye budget. Ema timamufo. So say a kind. Who say yesu tam na kind nipa. Tina Yesu ni maame Mary ene ne papa Joseph na eso omukọ omukrom ni etimi kan wo mo ene omukọ ya na hotels nyina ya ma ena ma ye ko wu Yesu onwagum ni ese kan nipa nti no say hu ye membership ene na me kan sorry we say America is a small country in terms of nipa.
Oh, okay.
American population is about 280 million people. But they are the richest on the face of the planet. China is 1.5 billion people.
Whoa.
India is second, 1.3 billion people. And so America, the country we are saying now. America forecast, China for must be quiet.
Great leadership.
And great leadership, money.
Oh, okay.
Oma create wealth.
Yeah.
American economy is almost close to $30 trillion. America has 614 billionaires living in America, more than any country in the world. Land they know the more than 100 people. Only France for me, Russia for. They are more powerful. In terms of membership, but influence is everywhere. Enti ye kan ye dodo no mo di ye budget sabi Ghana sanka half of the population kra millionaires and kenchen but rather no more than half of the population of Ghanaian people are very poor people who don't even worth $1,000. Too bad. And to see a kan from time to time periodically every 10 years be an kan and me who more and no more maka and no more motias half of foreigners and they don't account because Chinese phone in use Ghana card. Chinese for Lebanese phone in use Ghana card. So you cannot do anything about it. But indeed, I endorse it. They should go ahead and do it. But we will come no sika because of mass spending what to pay in show.
521.3 million Ghana cedis.
Wow. 521.3 million Ghana cedis for counting us. Says Ghana so mo dey my to a business omo chiche my and loans and ye dey be business ka kro be develop faster. But all the same no. Omo so be kan ya. Ya wa ha mo kan. Omo wi am kan ya wi no. Omo make sure some be may aduane adi. That's all. They should feed their citizens. Yeah. They should make sure their citizens are living well. You know, Ubusamia, Sana Meka, it is good for them to count us. But with the money they have spent, when they finish, they have to also feed us.
They have to also feed us. Now, Bishop really reached to one founding father of Alive Chapel.
Yes.
Now, there's a way to me, I connected to fathers all over.
Yes.
You're paying for next week, I'm here to my Father's Day. Who message at the mom and send you anything?
Yes. May I say, Mefa Kwanya is what we say, all the fathers. Happy Father's Day. The Hebrew word father, Abba.
Okay.
The Hebrew word father, Abba. Duty is also Abba Father. Major, Abba Father. Intino, it means say, Obia, Father nani Obia, or di eba abewiase. Obia, Udi, nipa abewiase. You are the father. So, but being a father is one thing. Being a good father is another thing. And being a great father too is another thing. So, and when we are celebrating fathers, we don't just celebrate fathers. We celebrate great fathers. We celebrate good fathers. We also celebrate responsible fathers. We are not celebrating sperm donors. We are not celebrating sperm donors. We are celebrating real fathers who take care of their children. So, yaka a father nenia odi obi abawiase. Papa a odi eba abawiase. Nemo no papa ohweba. Papa ohwe busua. Papa okay. Papa odwene nipa ho. Ma memfa sa kwan nyina so. And we say the first father of the land, the first gentleman of the land, Yaya Papa Akufo-Addo, President Akufo-Addo. Yemao, happy Father's Day. Thank you for being a father to all of us. It's not easy to be a father for 30 million people. Yadanyamiase Emma Life, the Vice President, former President John Dramani Mahama. Nyamishrao, for being a father. Otumfo yankasa ya papa otumfo baako pe otekoko so ya chiao me salifo mo akomme ma happy Father's Day. Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams, all the fathers of the land, from President ABC pastors, so BC businessmen, so before Sakwanya, so Doctor yankasa ya doctor baako pe NS Ofori Sapon Bonini Nua Dr. Kwame Desperate and all the businessmen, all the fathers. I want to wish all of you fathers happy Father's Day. Radin Shrao. So Oba, pick up your phone and call your father and wish him happy Father's Day. Sebeya, the father's blessings can also rest upon you. So we wish everybody a happy Father's Day. So make sure you are not just a sperm donor, but you are a real father. Stay alive and be alive. God bless all the fathers.
Amen. God bless you too, Daddy.